Tell me something, girl, and are you happy in this modern world, or do you need more? Is there something else you're searching for? 'Cause I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I feel myself. And tell me something, boy, why you try to fill that void, or do you need more? Ain't it hard keeping so hardcore, and I'm falling. In all the good times I find myself longing for change, and in the bad times I feel myself. 'Cause I'm off the deep end and watches it diving, 'cause I never meet the ground. We crash through the surface, and where they can hurt us, we're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now. Oh, 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 I'm off the deep end and watches it diving, 'cause I never meet the ground. And we crash through the surface where they can hurt us, we're far from the shallow now. In the shallow, in the shallow, in the shallow, we're far from the shallow now. Hey guys, welcome again to Regen Sounds. I don't know what I'm doing, 2 videos in 2 days, wow. But basically I was feeling super bored, and because it was a Sunday I was like, yeah, let me check YouTube. And so a couple of covers just showed up with Shallow, Lady Gaga, Bradley Cooper. And I said, yo, why don't I give it a try and do my own cover? And yeah, here it is. I've been quite some while now here, so I hope you like it. Remember to subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Give it a like. Check out my Instagram, leave a comment, and blah blah blah, as always. Anyways, see you soon, mucho amor.